Semicolons introduce explanatory clauses or lists. This is lesson 23 in the Architecture of Grammar. My name is Léandre Larouche. I'm the author of the Architecture of Grammar and the founder of Trivium Writing. So in this video, we're going to talk about the colon. These two dots like this. So what do these two dots do? This colon, it introduces explanatory clauses and lists. So here we have a sentence. So that's just going to be a big block, a sentence. Or just to put it in the terms that we've always used so far, we've got our who and our what. Minimally, there are other blocks as well, but minimally we have that. Now, for example, if I said Léandre bought a penthouse in a cool New York City neighborhood, we could add the upper east side. And that's an explanation. It tells you what. And so, by the way, there is no capital letter. Or the sentence could be Léandre is passionate about three things: philosophy, politics, and personal development. So again, we're just adding, and this is a list. So there are three things: philosophy, politics, if we want to put the Oxford comma, and personal development. That's a list, no capital here. Now, it's also possible if we have a clause, a sentence that adds, that kind of explains, that is an explanation to what comes before. We can also add a new sentence, and so, and then in this case, we would have a capital letter if it's a complete sentence that we have. So complete sentence. If it's a complete sentence, we put a capital letter. Otherwise, we don't. And so go in lesson 23 in the Architecture of Grammar, and so you can see all the examples and make sure that you understand in which cases you use a capital letter and when you don't. And so this way you're going to be very clear on the colon. One other thing, you can actually introduce dialogue and citation with the colon. So I will give you one example from the Architecture of Grammar. The real estate said it best, open quote, New York City is the best city in the world, period, and quotation. So this is a case where we would have the quotation marks. It starts a full sentence. We put the period at the end and the quotation right there.